Many miles away from home, steps were difficult, I'm exhausted, but I did not fall.
Hi there! So today we're going to create a simple eye makeup, and I'm going to start by applying this eye primer, and this one is by e.l.f. and it's in a stick form and it's very easy to blend, so I'm going to be using my fingers. Like I said, this is a very simple eye makeup, so I want to use like as less brushes as possible. So yeah, there you guys see me pretty much just blending everything super well, and make sure you guys blend with your ring finger, because that is the best to blend things with regarding your face makeup and all that, because it applies less pressure than if I was to use another finger. It's a very important tip, so keep that in mind. Okay, so for this eye makeup, I chose this basic palette, and this one is by Maybelline. I feel like this one has very neutral tones, and it's like an everyday eyeshadow palette, so that's why I chose it. And I'm gonna be taking that base color with my finger, again using my ring finger, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid, and I'm also going to take it to the brow bone because I feel like it highlights very well. And yeah, so I'm just gonna blend everything in both of my eyes with my fingers, and yeah.
Like the roots of a tree, where should I go from here? I need a good advice. The elders waiting for me at sunrise. I'm in the prison, open doors, 10 directions on the floor. I lose my mind, lose my sight. Tell me how I'm gonna win this fight. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe.
Okay, so for this eye makeup, I'm going to be taking this dark eyeshadow, and the dark shade, it's usually you have to apply it right in the outer corner, because that is going to create a nice V and kind of like a cat eye effect. So it's very important that you guys apply it right in the outer corner and blend it super well with your brush, because even though we're not going to be using that much colors, it's really important to have a nice and like a right technique to blend. So make sure you guys do that, and I'm just going to apply it a little bit more, and make sure you guys kind of like measure the intensity you guys want. And I'm kind of just playing around with this two shade. Like I said, I'm not going to be using that much colors, because this is a very simple eye makeup that you could do in like a 5-minute time. So yeah, I'm just applying and blending, and then reapplying if I want more, and blend everything super well.
Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe.
Okay, so now I'm going to reapply that first eyeshadow we used, which was this base color, because I don't want to lose that pigment and that brightness from that shade. So I'm just going to reapply it and make sure to blend the edges when it connects with the other eyeshadow. Super important.
No one ever told me how hard it's gonna be. My way is full of branches, like the roots of a tree. Where should I go from here? I need a good advice.
Now the last step is to take that eyeshadow and run it right through the brow bone, because we want to highlight that part too.
Lose my mind, lose my sight. Tell me how I'm gonna win this fight. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe.
Okay, so after that I apply mascara, and this is pretty much the final result. I paired this look up with a peachy color, and it's very vibrant because I feel like the eyes are super simple and neutral, so I want my lips to stand out. So I'm just taking this lipstick by LA Colors, I think so, and yeah, and that is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. Bye bye.
Told me how hard it's gonna be. My way is full of branches, like the roots of a tree. Where should I go from here? I need a good advice. The elders waiting for me at sunrise.